Leah, look what's coming. More stars. What are you gonna do? Leah, those are meant for eating, no? Whoa! Oh my gosh. What are you doing, Leah? Leah, were you trying to grab all of them? It's so exciting, yes, I know. Now Leah's gonna try to pick up all of them. But I think this is gonna take a while. Leah, why don't you just pick one up and put it in your mouth? Whoa! Maybe not. Whoa! Get Leah's pudgy little fingers. Whoa, moving too fast for the camera. Whoa. What are you doing? Ooh! You ate it! You ate it! How does it taste? Your sweet potato stars, Leah? Delicious? Leah, is that good? Mmm. You want some water? I dropped it. Water? To be continued.